Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm really excited to share this with you guys. I'm participating in my very first swap. I'm so excited. I've been working so hard. I'm making embellishments, and I was supposed to do a swap, a Maggie Holmes theme swap back in May, but some things came about, and sadly I'm in June and I'm just now able to try and mail this out. Guys, I am terrible with mailing out stuff. I really need to work on this. But before I sent the package off, I wanted to share with you guys how I packaged everything up, what some items, how they looked or whatnot. And hopefully my swap partner will upload a video, and I'm gonna try to not post this video until I know that they received it. And then yeah, hopefully I will have a link in the description box below so that you guys can see her unboxing. But let me go ahead and show you guys just really quickly what I created and how I decorated and all this stuff. So I'm having an issue. My issue is that I want to put it in a medium-sized box, and it's so much stuff, guys, that it's not. I'm having a hard time fitting it. So I guess I just gotta manipulate it a little more and play with it some more to try to get it into this box, because I really don't want to do like a huge box. But let's go ahead. So I have quite a few packages here that I wrapped in this beautiful pink and white striped gift wrap paper, and it's got gold heart accents. So there's quite a few of these packages. I don't remember what's in here, to be honest, guys. I've just been collecting things. You guys know how I'm always in Tuesday morning. I'm always shopping for crafty items, and every time that I've went, I've tried to pick something up for her here and there, and it accumulated to be tons and tons of stuff. Okay, so some of the stuff I wrapped in that paper. I didn't want to make it boring. I kind of wanted to switch it up a little bit. So I actually used some of this gold tissue paper, and I just tied a bowl with some tulle. So here's a gift for her. And then here's another one with tissue paper, and I actually decorated this one. So I just used some of that trim from Hobby Lobby, and I took a doily. Some of it's like bent, and I put one of these embellishments that I created. I just glued that all together so that she can, and I didn't put much glue, so that she could just rip it off and use it if she wanted to. It's another gift for her. And then I bought these little, I think, what are these called, baby? I think they're like cookie boxes or something. And they're at Tuesday Morning in the baking section. And I thought this would be a really cute way to gift some embellishments. So I have tons of embellishments in there, and I just went ahead and wrapped it with tulle because this box already comes decorated. Got that. And then another box is the craft one. It's a craft colored one, same box. I kind of wanted to put something right here, but I wanted her to be able to reuse the tulle, so I just left it as is. And there's some handmade embellishments in there also. I tried to include a ton of handmade embellishments because I've been just working so hard on them, and I just want to share them, you know, and I would love to excuse me, receive those. So that's why excuse me, my voice. That's why I decided on gifting so many. But I think that it's all in all a nice balance of gifts and handmade items. So hopefully you guys will get to see that in her video. Here is another I love this tissue paper, guys. I hauled it from Dollar Tree. I haven't been able to find any more since, but look at how beautiful it goes. Really well with this. And in case you haven't noticed, I use Maggie Holmes Sunny Days collection on this. That's the first Maggie Holmes collection that I've ever played with, and so everything in this swap is Maggie Sunny Days from her collection. So I just decorated the same way, putting a strip of this trim from Hobby Lobby, the blue one. I thought it went really well with the collection. This is a rosette that I made, and I just stickled it, added some gems and some why is it that I can't speak whenever I'm recording?
What?
Sequins. I added some sequins and then the doily in the back. So again, I just put minimal glue because I wanted her to be able to reuse this if she wanted. So that's another gift. Here is another gift. And I just used, again, the tissue paper. I took a piece of ephemera. I tied some twine and I stuck these little recollection clips in here. Now, actually, I bought a pack of these for her. And I didn't want to just have it wrapped up in the package. I wanted to kind of utilize all the clips that were in the package within this entire swap. So as you can see, I took 2 out of the package and I just clipped them on there so she could reuse them. It's another gift for her. And then last but not, oh no, here's another one. Here's a bag, and I just used a little clip here and a rosette that I made. Not a rosette, what's wrong with me? A tag. I can't speak. I can't speak when I get on camera. And there's a gift in there. I don't want to reveal it yet. Just some little items. It's not wrapped. And then last but certainly not least is this loaded bag. So guys, I don't know if you remember, I had hauled these beautiful, they feel like fabric. They're like a canvas bag from Ross. And I created a loaded bag with it. I just put some of this trim from Hobby Lobby on here. And I took off this, you know, where the handle is. And I just tied a bow here. I felt like all the stuff in here was really busy, so I did not really decorate the bottom or even the back of this. And I thought that was a good idea because she can reuse this bag and decorate it herself if she wants to. So let me take the stuff out of here and just show. I don't want to ruin anything. So here I just, again, utilize that clip, and I just clipped a piece of this tool that I'm obsessed with. I'm obsessed with this tool, guys. I had a die cut here and a piece of the ephemera, and all I did was clip it together so that she can take it out and reuse everything. And there's something in there for her. I just repackaged this, what do you call this? I forgot. This confetti mix that I bought from Target. And I actually gifted her 2 of them. And this is the way that I decorated the bag topper. I just grabbed some paper. I used my decorative scissors, cut the bottom. And I just put a piece of that tool that I love. Added a ephemera piece, couple ephemera pieces, and some sequins. And I think it came out really pretty. Here's the other one, and I just decorated it almost the same way with the tool. I added some of that trim, that tassel trim, and this leaf trim. I added one of the little stickers. I backed it up. These are actually the clear stickers from Sunny Days. I just backed it up on white paper and cut around it to make it thicker, and added some sequins. So there's that one. Trying to put them in here the way that I had them, or at least the way I remember I had them. These are some embellishments that I made. I used my die cuts for this. I punched out with gold paper this, added these little 1-inch 1-inch punch, and I just punched out some circles and layered it. And I didn't add a topper to this because it took up most of the room. I thought it looked cute like that. And then here is another gift for her. Guys, there's tons of gifts in here for her. I hope that she really loves them. This is one of the embellishments that I made. I just used My big circle punch, I think it's like a 3-inch circle punch, I believe. And I cut one of them in half. I used one, cut another in half. And I used tulle to make a little shaker here. You see the sequins? I added some star trim. This was a rosette that I created. And I just added a word sticker and some more sequins. That's that. Now, some of this stuff, I think that I had it another way. But guys, it was so much that like wouldn't fit in the box. So I just had to like really put it in here. Baby, why are you throwing stuff right here? Come on. So, God, there's so much stuff in here, guys. So once again, I'm not gonna post this until I know that she gets her package. But this is everything that's in this one compartment. It's huge. So let me just go ahead and show you guys. Some of the stuff got ruined. See, like this stuff, I planned on putting, just trying to fix it up a little bit. I plan on putting some of this stuff within the box, but it wasn't fitting, so I had to squeeze some of the stuff inside the loaded bag. I don't know, guys. I'm gonna have to play with it and see. But this is the package. I made like one of those little award ribbons, but I put it like sideways. I thought that was cute. Here's just a plain one. I didn't want to go too crazy and like overly embellish everything, so I left some of them plain. Here's another little gift for her, guys. There's tons of gifts in here for her. Here's one of the rosettes. I just made a what are those? Crepe paper rosette, and I put some glue around it, and I added one of those embellishments that I made. Really simple but pretty. What's wrong? Here's another package that I just wrapped with a tissue paper, and these are actually one of the embellishments that I made, and I just stuck it on there. Here are some handmade tassels that I made that I want to gift for her. And I love this paper. It's a treat. Is it a treat bag? I think it's called.
Yeah, it's a treat bag.
So it doesn't really have like any sticky back. I just sealed it with some washi tape for packaging. These are those heart-shaped doily envelopes that I made, and I wanted to gift her these gold rosettes that I created, and I thought this would be a really cute way to do it. I actually have a tutorial on how I created this step by step, so I'll be sure to link that in the description box below, guys. If for any reason you don't see any of the information that I'm saying I'm gonna link in the description box below, please comment and remind me, because sometimes my mind is just everywhere. But again, plain back. I thought that these were embellished enough and it didn't need a topper. Here's another little gift for her, and I just added one of these little crepe paper rosettes that I created. Everything's like bent. And then here I have a ton of goodies wrapped in here, and I just went ahead and put this paper on it, and I like that you can see through it. You can kind of see some of the items in there, and I just used one of these, I think they're called bulldog clips. I just used that so that she could reuse that. Here's one of the tags that I created. I really like this color combination. These are like colors that I normally wouldn't play with. Here I just gifted her some doilies and some die cuts. Here are some embellishments that I created for her, some embellished paper clips. I believe I shared these on my channel. I don't know if I did a tutorial on this. I don't think so. I think I just shared it. And then I also created this little banner, and I used that as a bag topper. I gifted her some of this trim from Hobby Lobby and some of my favorite tulle. I kind of wanted to include a lot of the things that I use within the package. Oh, my bowls got a little smashed. She'll be able to re-fluff these. But these are some bows that I created using the collection. Look at those gems. They're gorgeous, guys. Those are from AliExpress. Here's a banner that I bought from Target, and I love the way this topper came out. I did it the same way. I just used some of the cardstock paper. I used my decorative scissors on the bottom, and I just put some cut aparts, some trim, and some sequins. Really cute. What's so funny, baby? Here's some more embellishments, and I actually embellished 2, and then I left 2 blank ones for her to embellish herself. Just a really simple topper. At this point, I think I was getting kind of tired. It was so much to package, guys. It took me forever, like, to work on this. So I just kind of added like a simple, you know, little topper on that one. And then the same for these. I love these. These are my layered, I don't even know what you would call them. They're just some layered ephemera pieces. I love the way that they came out. Aren't they gorgeous? I know that her favorite color is pink. I don't know too much about her, but I tried to include the things that I did know. And then here are some of those banner ones. And I really wanted to include some of this paper in the background so that she could reuse that also from the collection. And then a really simple topper. I just used the paper, that trim, and the 2 trims from Hobby Lobby. So that's it, guys. I guess I gotta figure out a way to get this in this box so I can send it out to her. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that she loves this this swap and this package, because I really put a lot of love into it and a lot of time. So let me know in the description box below how you guys think I did for my very first swap. And hopefully I'll have a video link in the description box below so you can check out her unboxing and you can see her reaction with me. And I love you guys, and I will catch you next time. Bye.